Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to deactivate Agoda listing. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Agoda website by typing agoda.com in the address bar. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to your Agoda homepage. Here, look for the List Your Place option. It's usually intended for users who want to rent out their property. Once you click on it, you'll be taken to a dashboard displaying all your listed properties. This section shows a complete list of your current and past properties, acting as your main control center for managing listings. Find the specific property you want to deactivate from the list. Once you've located your desired property, click on three dots and you will see the option of Deactivate this property if your property is published on Agoda. As you can see, mine is not published. That's why I'm not seeing that option. But if due, simply click on this. Doing this will immediately pause the listing, making it unavailable for new bookings. And that's it. So that is how you can deactivate Agoda listing. So that's all for this video. Thanks.